We are going to use a blank aircraft with no associated trackings for the purpose of a simple demo. First, we create a multi-threshold tracking. We create a first active calendar tracking. It means that a one-time action will be required. The second we create is an inactive flight hours tracking. It will be active as soon as the first action is completed. We generate the aircraft due list to add the first calendar action into a maintenance order. We validate the work as performed and we close the order to reforecast the aircraft status. The first calendar action has been performed and is now complied with. It won't appear in the due list anymore. The second tracking in flight hours has been automatically activated when the maintenance order was closed and will appear in the due list in due time.